Hi guys, welcome back. So this time we will visit Taiwan. This is still a visa-free country for the Filipinos until July ata. I'm not sure, but if it will be extended. Okay, so this was my captured videos last February 2024. So tara na. Yan, start syempre tayo sa NAIA 3. Cebu Pacific tayo. Yung gate ng Cebu Pacific is from 1, 2, and 3. So, pagkapasok mo, may kita mo agad yung cashier or yung counter for payment and travel taxes. So, that's 1,620 for business and economy classes. So, merong discounted na travel tax for other type of passengers. Okay? So, may mga discounts din yun. Right? So, required tong travel tax for tourists. Okay? I believe for OFW, they are exempted. So, these are the counters. Kapag nag-online check-in kayo, diretso na lang sa bag drop. Para may separate counters for bag drop only. Okay? Para kapag may check-in baggage kayo, luggage. Of course, this is international flight. So, meron naman kaming check-in luggage. So, ito yung sa akin. Yan. 5 days lang naman kami sa Taiwan. So, medium size lang yung dala ko. So, that's 13. Almost 13 kilos for now. Pero pagbalik, I think umabot ako na mga 18. So, bye! Luggage. Alright? Na-stuck pa nga. Oh, ayan. Nice din naman ni ate. So, ayan yung ating OR for the travel tax. Yan, bibigay naman. That's 1,620. Okay. So, ayan, 1,620. Sa standard reduce, it's 810. And then sa privilege reduce, it's only 300. Okay. So, meron din sila mga kiosk dito na self-check-in. Para kung mahaba yung pila sa counter, you can have it to your own. Right? Reprint your boarding pass, print baggage tag, ikaw na lang maglagay, and then check in, and then diretso ka na sa bag drop. But still, you have to go to the bag drop if you have check-in luggages. Yan. So, meron pa rin antigen self-test dito. If you want, then get one. Okay? Dito yan pagkatapos ng immigration and security check. Yan. So, andito na tayo. Syempre, bawal mag-video sa loob ng immigration and security check. Marami yung mga nakapaskil doon na bawal. Kaya, so let's go. Hanapin na natin yung ating boarding gate. Puntahan na natin. So, nasa dulo pala yung boarding gate natin. Medyo mababa yung lalakarin. Actually, ito NAIA 3 compared sa other airports sa Asia. Maliit pa nga itong NAIA 3. So, kung sa ibang airport pa kayo, talagang mahaba ang lalakaran nyo from security check to your boarding gates. Especially kung napunta pa kayo sa dulo. Ayan, so nakita nyo kanina may kiddie play house. So, pwede pa rin silang maglaro. Yan, ito yung from the window side. Ito yung tsura niya. Yung kabilang side, yan yung area ng mga hotel. Okay, merong dyan, parang magandang overpass na papunta doon. So, it's time for the immigration experience story. Actually, mabilis lang siya. Mga 10 minutes lang sa akin. Sa mga kasama ko, saglitan din, mga 15 minutes. Mga 3 questions lang sa akin actually, or sabihin natin 5 minutes. First question to me is ilan kaming magta-travel, sino yung mga kasama ko. So, tinuro ko naman kasi nandun sila sa ibang counter ng immigration officers. Pangalawang tanong is kailan yung balik. At ang pangatlo, anong company ko. Kung public or private, and then sinabi ko rin na private, and then tinanong yung name. So yun yung sinabi kong company. So yun lang. And then I proceeded. So that's it. Mabilis lang. Wag lang din kayong kakabahan. Ayan. Para makita din ng immigration officer na talagang alam mo yung details ng flights mo, kailan ka babalik, and what not. So by this time, it's about 11. Awaiting na lang doon sa aircraft. Ayan. So, 11 in the evening. Okay. Ito na pala. Papunta na kami sa aircraft na Cebu Pacific. Ayan. Again, visa free pa ang travel to Taiwan for Filipinos. Okay? So, ito yung itsura niya sa labas. No? Nga pala, Chinese New Year Eve to because it's February 9, 2024. So, pupunta kami sa Taiwan ng Lunar New Year. Okay? So, that's February 10. It's holiday. I'm not sure kung masyado madaming tao sa Taipei or wala masyado. But I've read that from previous tradition, nag-iba na sila this past few years. Marami pa rin nag-stay sa Taipei. Pero majority of them are going to the other parts of Taiwan when it's holidays, long holidays. So, ito na, we're departing. Yan, love the Philippines. May malaking signage na ganon. So, ito pa, akyat na tayo sa Himpapawid. Okay. Yeah. So, here, elevated na tayo. Looking at Pasay and Parañaque. Ganda. This is how it looks like sa Metro Manila from above. Maganda naman. So, diba? Maganda siya. Right. So, ito, we're arriving after 2 hours or mga 2 hours and a half. We're arriving sa Taipei, sa Taoyuan International Airport ng Taiwan. Right? So, it's about past 1 a.m. I believe. Yan. So, here's the landing. Smooth naman yung naging landing natin. No? And even the travel, pretty good. Clear skies din naman, so wala tayong naging problem sa while nandun tayo sa taas, no? So this is the walkway. May kita nyo rin naman dito yung mga iba't ibang places featured within Taiwan. Okay, here. Yan, so time check, it's already 1:40 a.m. So, yan, passing through that security check. Ayan, ito na yung sa may immigration nila. Ang daming tao na madaling araw. Ayan. So, time check 3:15. So, parang 1 hour and a half kami na pumila doon sa immigration. Pero yung questioning naman, mabilis lang din. Ang matagal lang talaga yung pila dahil ang daming tourist. Or even siguro yung mga pabalik galing ibang bansa ng mga Taiwanese. Ayan. So punta muna tayo sa kabila. We've been to the arrival hall. Punta tayo lang dun sa may kabila, sa may departure hall nila, kasi nandoon yung way papunta sa MRT, sa train nila, and then yung sa may food court. So dun tayo mag-i-stay kasi yung MRT, yun yung sasakyan namin papuntang main Taipei City, no? New Taipei City. So mag-stay muna kami dito. 6 AM pa mag-open yung train. So mga 5:45 ganyan, yun yung mag-open. First trip is 5:55, right? So dito sa may arrival hall, kumaliwa kayo pagkalabas nyo ng baggage. Kapag nakuha nyo na yung baggage nyo, may kita nyo yung mga kiosk for the Wi-Fi and SIM cards. So dito kami kumuha sa Klook ng Wi-Fi namin. So pwede pa siyang makuha ng 5 AM. Okay, so naghintay pa rin kami ng more than an hour. Nagstay kami doon sa food court bago namin nakuha yung Wi-Fi rental namin. So, ito yung pababa, nasa departure area to. Ito yung pababa ng food court. Okay, tapos ito yung another na pababa from that food court papunta sa may MRT. Meron din namang elevator, ayun na. Yan, so ito siya. Okay, mga 5:30 andito na kami, pero ang dami na rin nag-aabang sa dito sa ilalim sa may train station, express train ang kukunin namin para kaunti na lang yung stops. Parang mga 4 lang ata yung stops from the airport, from the Taoyuan International Airport papunta doon sa Taipei Main Station. Okay, so paano kami kumuha ng ticket or ng coin? Ito siya, marami silang mga ticketing machines. So dito kami sa may Violet, single ride lang. Okay, so ito siya, yan, may mga naman English na option, right? May different languages actually. So ito siya, 150 NTD. Okay. So mga 260 sa Philippine peso. Yan. So yan yung makuha natin, yung ating coin, no? Para dito sa train. So ito na, we're waiting na sa first trip ng train papunta sa New NTC, New Taipei City. Okay, so here it is. Ito yung itsura ng train nila. Malinis, maganda. So yun yung mga magiging stops natin, 5 stops. Just because may dalawang stop from Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, and then 2 more stops in between, and then nandun ka na sa NTC, New Taipei City. So yung travel time is about 35 minutes going to New Taipei City or the main station ng Taipei. So express naman to, no? Sabi ko nga, dalawa lang yung in between station. Yan. So this is the last. Next is New Taipei main station na. 'Di ba? So ang laki nung area na to. Ganda. Yeah, so this is the Metropolitan Park. Considered pa rin to, winter sa Taiwan because it's February, early February. Yan. So mag-aano na nito, mag-alas 7 na. Right? Mga 6:30, 6:35. Ayan, time check, it's 6:35 AM. nasa ano na tayo, main station Taipei. So ang daming traveler na madaling araw. So ito, palabas na tayo, just drop that coin and you will get passed through that turnstile. So ngayon, of course, nagtanong muna kami saan papuntang Xianghua or Ximending. Ano ba yung susundan namin? So hindi pa rin bukas yung mga shops. Again, this is Chinese New Year, although it's already almost 7 AM. But hindi bukas yung mga shops kasi or mga restaurants as early as 7 AM kasi it's Chinese New Year, it's holiday. So more likely mag-open yan mga 9 pa, ganyan. So ang laki nung area dito, mahaba yung lalakarin talaga kasi pupunta ka doon sa exit sa may Songhua. Yan. Actually, pwede kang mag-transfer sa Green Line kasi may Baymen. I think may Baymen station and then baba ka sa may Siemens station. Dalawa, ano lang yon, magkasunod na station. Pero kasi yung accommodation namin in between Baymen and Siemens. Pero still considered nasa Ximending area pa rin. Ayan. So, pinili namin yun kasi center yung Ximending for shops. No, kilala sila for the shops. So again, this is February 10. This was captured last February 10, 2024, Lunar New Year. It's 6:50 AM. So far with the temperature, malamig-lamig naman. It's, I think, kapag mga ganitong umaga, it's about 10 to 12 degrees. Yan. Still considered winter time. So walking lang from Songhua Road. Maglalakad lang kami ng mga about 1 to 1.5 kilometer, mga ganon. So very walkable naman yung Taipei. Kaya lalakad na lang kami. Pwede rin naman mag-taxi because it's been already full day, tas wala pa masyadong tulog. Sa flight na lang medyo nakaidlip. And so madaling araw kasi gabi yung flight, madaling araw yung dating. And then right now it's almost 7. Check-in time pala rito it's 10. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Pero andito na kami as early as 7 AM. So we'll see kung anong mangyayari sa check-in namin. Pero I was told na pagdating sa check-in, pwede kang magbayad na lang, pwede kang mag-early check-in, and if available yung room, magbabayad ka na lang for the additional hours. So this time, nagbayad na lang kami. That's 100 new Taiwan dollar hanggang per hour. So that's 4 hours early. Hindi na kami chinarge from 12 to 1. So ang chinarge na lang sa amin is from 8 AM to 12. So that's around 400 NTD. And mga about 700 pesos. So okay na din. At least makakatulog kami kasi wala nga kami masyadong tulog. And then gala na lang ulit or gising na lang, makapagpahinga man lang ng konti, gising na lang ng about 10 or 11. Yan. At least open yung mga shops. So that's the Taiwan coming here, right? That's it. So thank you guys. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Right? Bye.